Alright, so clearly you can see the title. It's called Reviving My Amazon Wig. Okay, I got this wig like a couple months back. Cause yeah, I was going to school and I needed something quick. Yeah, it was quick, alright. It was an hour or two before school to get some bitch on. But that was the only thing. It just keeping up like with the lace front, like the maintenance and stuff. And I know girls don't be liking to like show what they look like before they go to bed with their bonnet on, but I mean I gotta show what's under the bonnet too. I gotta stock a cap. I mean a wig cap under my bonnet, right under my bonnet. And I probably should put the makeup on the wig cap instead of trying to put it right under where the lace is on the wig. Yo, this joint look bad though. Like, do you see that? Like, so what I'm gonna do to start, I braided my hair down like Tasha off of Power when she tried to save her son. Yeah, that's how I look under there. But her jeans was fresh. My jeans ain't fresh. So, well, they fresh like I just did them, but I'm not good at them kind of braids. I'm good at like box braids and stuff. I'm not good at doing like cornrow straight backs. No, Tasha, baby. So yeah, I didn't want to put it like right there. I might push it back a little bit. I know y'all probably like, it's right on her edges. Man, we in the house. It's Corona. Who looking at people's edges? I've been wanting to do this tutorial for a minute. For a hot minute. So I'm going to just like, I'm going to take a picture of it real quick. This is how my wig looks like. It's going to be cute. Let me put a little bit more makeup on. So yeah, like I said, I bought this wig off Amazon. I was a little skeptical. I don't remember the price, but I'm going to put it at the bottom of the video. And yeah. I probably should put it on both sides. Like all the way to the end, because you could see. I don't know. And I don't really care. I'm just doing it myself because I want to show people. Well, my friends, my family. I want to show them. You could slay your own wig. You don't need nobody to do it. Like, at all. I got better. This is my second one. I want another one. I want a red one. But, you know, that's not how the world goes. So, okay, I got to be glued. Because I'm not doing the glue one. I'm doing the glueless one. So, yeah, I got to be glued. I'm going to spray it, like, on the... Okay, maybe I should put it up a little bit. I'm going to spray it on, like, the perimeter of my big old head. Okay. Okay, wait a minute. I missed a spot. A couple spots. I'm going to spray it on my hairline. Alright. I'm going to spray it. Everybody's like, oh, she don't know what she's doing. Let me tell you this. I got edges. Just want to let y'all know. I'm spraying it on my edges. I would let it sit for a little bit, go blow dry it, but I don't really care about all that sit. I don't got no patience to be sitting on no blow dry it right now. I'm going to put it on, tie it to my head, and then come back, do the edges, tie that joint to my head, and bam. Bam. Alright, so I'm going to put it on. I'm going to try to put it on my braids. Ah, shoot. Okay, this wig come with a clip on this side, clip on this side, a big clip in the back. And see, I'm not bald headed in the back no more. I was bald headed in the back. I'm not anymore. My hair grew. It ain't grow all the way. I could put a picture and I could show you how short it was the last couple of months, but it grew back. And they got a clip like right here, but I'm not putting that clip. I can't put it right there because the wig. I don't know if like people. Okay, wait a minute. I'll push that back a little bit. I don't know if people like put this wig on with like a netted cap or something. Yo, you be having to like stretch the clip. Bitch won't snatch my weave. Period. I'm just kidding. But no, for real. So yeah, okay, the way I braided my braids, it's not cooperating anymore. I braided my braids. Okay, I braided like 3 braids. Okay, 6 braids total down the middle, okay? And then onto the sides, I braided them like this. And then I took the braids that was like this and I braided a braid, 2 braids going like that, and I put it in the ponytail. So my back clip, because like I said, my hair grew back, but I'm still a little bald headed. So I got a back clip. Okay, see, look, it's already sticking. Oops. Okay, so as you can see from when I previously had cut it, that's where it's cut at. I'm gonna take my clips and I'm gonna do it again because it's sticking right here. But I damn near forgot about. Is it on my forehead? Because sometimes you can't tell when you. I can't tell because I'm on the camera. If I would have my. Like, I don't want it to be on my forehead. I want it to be like right there. You see? Period. Okay. So for my setup, like I said, I got to be glued. I got the spray and I got this one. I got a bottle of water. Got the clips. I use like a makeup joint to like pat on there. I use this foundation called Believe. It's in my color. This is like medium to full coverage. Okay. Edges, brush. I think I already showed these, but these clips, I'm gonna just clip the hair like that so you can't see. And I do have a scarf so it can hold down to my head, because I'm gonna leave, I'm gonna come back, and I'm gonna. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. Like that. That first part already dried. Yeah, see, it was kind of sticking. I got that right there. When I did my hair last time too, I did use this like on my edges. I know that's probably too much, but baby not coming off. She already on there. Period. She's not coming off in a fight, honey. Period, okay? Put it all the way right there. Yeah, I don't really be worried about the back because I ain't putting this curly shit ponytail, okay? So then what I do is, ooh, sis, back it up a little bit, sis. Like, I don't want the hair to go right there. I just want it to adhere to right there. It ain't on my forehead, is it? I don't think so. I'm just trying to show y'all, like. And okay, when I cut this lace, I cut it like this. I didn't cut it straight across. I cut it like, because I watched like mad different people on a on previous videos. Like when I first did my first lace front, I noticed girls was doing that on YouTube. They was cutting it like at a like squiggly line. And when before I cut it like that, like, okay, I cut my first one like that. My second one, I cut it like in sections instead of just shh. I cut it in sections. I seen like 3 people do it. I cut it in sections, okay? So then I still did the squiggly wiggly while I was cutting it. Like, well, while it was like when it was cut in sections, I did the squiggly wiggly. So you take your scarf, right? After you see it's like, I don't want the hairs. I don't think the hair is stuck to my face. I can't see. I'm trying to wing this with my phone. I think it's working. Yeah, y'all couldn't have never thought. You ain't seeing me in nobody's hair salon, hair chair, regardless of Corona. I'm not paying no $100 something, and I already spent like a rack or better on this wig. Well, I didn't, but this is real human hair. But yeah, I'm not spending all that money. I be hearing my friends and stuff, or people just saying, or people just like advertising wigs and stuff, and they be spending all this money on wigs, and I just be like, my girl, if you don't get on there and do the hair yourself, cause yeah, never. Yeah, never. Y'all be charging an arm and a leg for somebody. Y'all be charging an arm and a leg. People be coming with their wigs or they be coming with their hair. Y'all be charging an arm and a leg to install. I mean, I know that's labor, but come on. Sis. Bam. Did it myself. I'm about to go let it blow dry. I'll be right. Alright, so boom. All New Yorkers be like, alright, so boom, this what happened. I got to the door. I thought no, I'm just kidding. That's my song. Okay, how I got this one here? So okay, I tied it because I don't got that little cute little band. You know, the girls be doing, and they be having the cute little band. I got my little Arab hair store scarf. You know, you feel me? That's what I got. All right. So I took that. I tied that around right to my head. It might stick a little. All right. I can't even in this mirror. I can't see. I'm not really. I don't know. I can't see. Even in this mirror. Okay. So it's stuck. But I didn't want my baby hairs to stick. If you see me like going to the side, that's because I'm trying to get the comb. Okay. Alright, so I got a mirror, but maybe I should have cleaned the mirror out. But you can see it's stuck. I didn't let it stick all the way because I be getting mad impatient. I don't like sitting there and stuff. Like, waiting. I don't like waiting for stuff. But you can see where I put the makeup at. Inside the wig. Maybe I should turn this mirror upside down because, wow, I can't see. I can't see. Okay. So, you can see it's stuck. That shit stuck like that. It's stuck. You can see. It's definitely stuck to my head. Alright, so what I've seen people use, and it does work. It worked on both my wigs. My one wig, like I said, my one wig from Amazon, my one wig from the hair store. They both in the hair wigs. I think this one might be longer, but you know when they be saying 12, 14 inches. Don't they be lying? Okay, so I've seen people use this. I got this from the hair store. It's $6.99 for ISO Plus Foaming Wrap Set Lotion. Okay. So this is what you do. Take it. I'm gonna do this side first. I might have to get off camera to do the other side. Yeah, my hair is already stuck. I gotta pull my hairs out. Oops, that's not a baby hair. That's a baby hair. I don't really be liking baby hairs though. You could kind of see where my baby hairs was at. They stuck. I should have pulled them out first. Whatever. I'll be putting it on there like that. Oh wait, I gotta clip y'all. It's a little weird. 6 hours later. Nah, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'm gonna just tell y'all what happened after this. Like, so you about to see. Okay, so look, I had to fast forward this because I was talking too much, and then I realized like towards when I started to try to blend the edges, I never cut the wig like I said before. I never cut like baby hairs. So you see me struggling, right? I did get off camera, and I definitely did cut them little long pieces that you see. I tried for y'all. I really did. I really tried. And yeah, I failed. And I suck at doing that side of my head, which is, I don't know, like the left side. I don't know. But yeah, I just had to get off camera. And I had to cut them baby hairs like in real life for y'all. And I was really trying. I'm like, yo, we gonna get this. We gonna get this. Girl, stop. Stop playing. Stop playing yourself. You can't. No, there's nothing there to slay. Yo, I did not know how hard it was to record a video and to try to have it at like a decent time. Like, but yeah. Bam, there y'all go. I was looking like the one-eyed bandit for y'all for a hot second. Yeah, I had to spray that little boy, baby, whatever, that girl out. Yeah, she was a wet one. She was a wetty. Oh, no, I was the wetty. But yeah, I had to show y'all, like, I turned homeless. Well, I wasn't homeless. The wig was homeless. I turned her into homeless, into straight popping, okay? Like, you put some water in that baby. Oh yeah, and to finish it off, I put the can too, leaving conditioner in it. Yeah, I did slay them baby edges a little bit. And I used the Pantene, the bottle, you see me, whatever. You feel me? Y'all was cute, period. Period. You couldn't tell me nothing. Wig was not coming off snatch weird. You see me though? I was just like, weird. What's up? Run up. What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, period. We all that, because that wig was cute as hell. Stop playing. Look at the bag though. Look at